Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I'm decorating my mantle. So for this year, I decided to use some items that I already had, but I also added some new items. And also you're going to be seeing that I'm going to go with, again, with the white and silver kind of theme. So yeah, that's this kind of mantle. You can recreate this look with any colors you prefer. You don't have to do it like I'm doing it here, but I just want to show you how I'm doing it. So I'm starting with a clean mantle, you guys. So the first thing that I did was shop my home like I always do. So then I saw this garland that I created last year. If you saw my home tour, you've seen this. It was in my staircase. So technically what it is a flat garland that I got from Walmart for $9.99. And then the ornament garland, I got it at a local store here in New York for like $6.99 or something like that. And then I tied them both together to make like one big fluffy glam garland. Not that you're here to see me, but excuse how I'm looking, by the way, guys. It's just a whole mess in my house. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen the mess behind the scene of all of this. Here's my cousin helping me, because the first thing I want to do is make sure how I want to lay my garland before I make it permanent. So that's what I'm here, playing with how I want it. I knew that I wanted the garland to kind of lay on one side more than the other. So that's the look that I was going for. So now that I know where I wanted my garland to go, I'm going to go ahead before I make it permanent and add this string light. And this one you can find anywhere, your local Home Goods or your TJ Maxx. They're like $7.99 or $6.99 sometimes, and they run with batteries. And I love this type, like I love them. Okay guys, we're making progress. This is looking like something, right? So you see how my ornament garland ended right there? It was a short one. So what I'm doing is just replicating that using ornaments that I already had at home, and I'm going to attach them using floral wire. You're going to see me doing that in this video. And I think nobody would ever know that this was not like this. Trust me. So after I'm done attaching of my ornaments to the garland, what I do is just fluff it out, make sure it looks nice and pretty. So it's time to give this a wow statement to, you know, bring out the bling. And I'm adding these crystals that I got a huge bag out of Amazon for like super affordable. I will link it down below for you guys. But I'm just going ahead and just attaching them using wire, like the floral wire again. And I'm just doing that throughout. So I picked up this beautiful acrylic reindeer from Home Goods, and it was $14.99, you guys. I picked one last year, but it broke. So this year I bought two of them, and I was supposed to show you that on a haul, but this video came out before. So here it is. I'm just placing that at the end of each corner of the mantle, because sometimes more is more. I'm adding these acrylic branches that I got from Sea Gallery. They're so pretty, you guys. But the good thing about using acrylics is that you can't really see that they're there, but it gives it like that really nice glam statement. So when I thought I was done, this is how the fireplace would have looked. But guess what? I took a break and I went shopping, and I found some items that I added it, and I'm going to show you how that looked now. So I went to my local store here in New York that I love going for Christmas, and I found this really beautiful teardrop ornament for $1.79, you guys. And it was everything my mantle needed. It was screaming my name the minute that I saw them. So let me show you. I'm gonna have to buy a couple more, I think, but let's see. I might add a few more, or maybe not. Let me know what you think down in the comments, but I think it turned out beautiful. I like that it gave it a little more of a pop of glam, because you know I'm all about glam. So I really liked it, but I think it's missing a couple of more pieces. So guys, this is the finished product. I am obsessed with how this mantle turned out this year. And the best part is that I shopped my home, so I only spent about $50 to make it this glam for this year and give it a little, you know, facelift and a change to what I used from the previous year. I'm obsessed. Guys, thanks a lot for watching. That was it for this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoy it. I hope I gave you some inspiration. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, because I have tons more videos for the holiday season, and I can't wait to share them with you. Thanks for watching.